Boys and girls, we're going to be working in our Journeys Reader's Notebook on practice page 173. So go ahead and turn in your practice books to 173. This is grade 1, volume 2. Okay, meet you there. Okay, it should look like this. 173. So this is about syllable LE. And interestingly, we have, ta-da, a sound spelling card. And this is our syllable LE card. And when you see LE at the end of a word, it says ol, like table, table. Okay, here it is again on the back side. This is the green side. Okay, so I'm going to start off by just practicing some words. These are two-syllable words, and it helps to, when you see a big word like this, it helps to break it into little syllables. Just remember when you see words that end with LE, it says ol. So this is wiggle. Wiggle. Like, can you wiggle your nose? Oh, big word. Let's divide it into syllables. Tickle. Tickle. Don't tickle me. This says handle. Handle. Like on the cabinets have handles to open. A briefcase has a handle. Juggle. Juggle. Do you know how to juggle? Often clowns will learn how to juggle. This says buckle. Buckle. I'm going to buckle my belt. And this two-syllable word says jingle. Jingle. See how we just have to break it into syllables and it makes it easier to sound out? This says ankle. Ankle is a body part right above your foot. And we'll just do one more because it happens to be on this page. Candle. Candle. So don't be intimidated when you see these two-syllable words. Okay, so let's break these up. Bottle. Let's go ahead and make this higher so you can see better. Bottle and bubble. This is on page 173, by the way. That is a bottle. So let's go ahead and circle bottle. Okay, this is a handle. No. Candle. Yes. We had to break it up into syllables. Let me go ahead and move this over. Is that a paddle? Paddle? Or an apple? Apple. That is an apple. Okay, I've seen that. I think you've seen that word. That says circle, doesn't it? And that is a circle, so we're just going to go ahead and circle it. This other word says cattle. A whole bunch of cows. You call them cattle. Okay. What's this kind of bug called? Is it called a bumble? A bumble? No, that's not a bee. Is it a beetle? Beetle? Yes, that's a beetle. Circle beetle. And finally, it looks like they want us to find the word that says puzzle. Let's read this first one. Poodle. Poodle. That's not a, no, that's not a poodle. It's a puzzle. Puzzle, this one right here. Okay, that's all for this page. Let's turn the page now. We're skipping pages 174 and 175. And we're doing the spelling page right here. This is page 176. Okay. So on this page, we're going to be adding ER to each base word, each one of these base words. Okay, so let's just go ahead and do that. Hard, we'll spell the word hard. I'm going to start it out a little bit this way because I don't know if you're going to have room to add the suffix. What was the suffix? Oh, er. Okay, hard, harder. Like I need to try harder to get an A. Okay, fast. That's our base word, fast. And we're going to change it to faster. So let's first write the base word, fast. Now we're going to add the suffix, faster. Like, he can run faster than I can. Faster. Here's another base word, slow. So we're going to write the word slower, right? We're adding that ER, slower. Slower. My bike is slower than the bus. Slower. And here's the word, the base word soon. I'm going to change it to sooner, right? We're adding So sooner. Sooner. Like the sooner I do my work, the sooner I can play. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and move this up to about right there. We're going to be adding est now, the suffix est to these base words. And there's another one that you can't see, but we'll get to it. This base word says hard. Okay, so I'm going to write the word hard, and then what am I going to add to it? est. Hard. I'm going to make it say hardest. Like I tried my hardest in class. Hardest. Okay, what base word is this? Fast. And we're going to add this suffix est to it. Remember, a suffix is a word part that goes at the end of a base word. Fast. Est. Fastest. She's the fastest in our class. Fastest. Okay, we're going to move it to our last one. Our base word is slow, and we're going to add est, so it's going to say slowest. So first write the base word slow, S-L-O-W. Remember, O-W makes the O sound in slow. Slowest. Like walking is the slowest way to get home. You know, compared to riding your bike or riding the bus. Just a fact of life, slowest. Okay, good job. You can always pause the frame here. We're going to go ahead and move on to this practice page. It's on page 177. We're going to be talking about the kinds of sentences again. Well, not again. This is a review from when we did compound sentences. So this is go home, come with us, but we want to combine the sentences. So we're going to write go home or come with us. All right? Let's just do it. Go home. And instead of writing come with us, we're going to put a comma and then put or come with us. That's your choice. Go home or come with us. Now we're going to put a period. So now this is one sentence. It starts with a capital letter, ends with a period. There's no need for this word to have a capital letter since it's not its own sentence. These words, or, but, and or again, these are called conjunctions, and they can stick together sentences to make them into compound sentences. Dan loves to run. He loves to swim even more. We're going to change it to Dan loves to run, but he loves to swim even more. So let's start over here. Dan loves to run, but he loves to swim even more. I'm going to squeeze the word he right here. I'm not going to make it start with a capital letter. because it's not going to be its own sentence anymore. But he loves to swim even more. He loves to swim even more. And I'm going to put an exclamation mark because that part of the sentence has strong feeling. Dan loves to run, but he loves to swim even more. And I might be going too fast for you, but you can always pause the frame right here to catch up. Here's what the grandma says. I can knit. I can sew. We're going to change that into a compound sentence. So how could we change that to a compound sentence? We can use a conjunction. We can use the word and. I can knit and I can sew. So let's write that down. I can knit. That was the first sentence. I can knit and I could just change that to sew. She already said sew. Yeah. Up here I could have written Dan loves to run, but loves to swim even more. But I chose to put the he there. That's okay. Up here, I can knit and sew. That's perfect. Will Jen come home soon? Will she be out late? So let's write, will Jen come home soon or be out late? So we're going to not even have to write these two words because will is right here and she means the same as Jen. So let's just write, will Jen come home soon or be out late? Will Jen come home? Now I'm going to have to put a little arrow. Soon or be out late. Oops. The period on my question mark needs to touch the ground. I mean the bottom line. Will Jen come home soon or be out late? Well, I hope you learned something about combining sentences with conjunctions or, but, and. And you can stop right here and stop the frame right here and finish it. Hope you learned something. Bye-bye.